Imagine a language that doesn't just talk to humans, but to computers. That's Python. It's simple. It's powerful. And it's changing the world. So, what exactly is Python? Let's dive in. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language. That means you don't need to worry about machine-level details. You write instructions in English like commands and Python handles the rest. It's like talking to your computer using logic and it listens. Python was created with one purpose in mind: simplicity. Whether you're building a game, automating your emails, analyzing data, or training AI, Python lets you do it all without breaking your brain. It's used by Google, NASA, Netflix, and beginners too. What makes Python so lovable? Clean syntax, it reads like English. Huge community support. Tons of libraries to save your time. Works on Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it. Python is often the first language people learn and sometimes the only one they need. Let's get real. Where do we use Python? AI and machine learning? Websites and apps? Data analysis, automation, cybersecurity, even robots? From Instagram to YouTube to space missions, Python is the silent force behind the scenes. So, what is Python? It's more than just a programming language. It's a tool that empowers your ideas. And this is just the beginning.